How can we live a more peaceful and meaningful life? What can we learn from this book? I learned from this book that true peace and happiness come when I stop living in the past or worrying about the future and start focusing on the present moment, the now. I learned that my mind often creates problems by overthinking, judging, and comparing, and that most of my stress comes from my thoughts, not reality. I learned that I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. I learned to observe my emotions without being controlled by them. I learned simple ways to stay grounded in the present moment, like focusing on my breath, watching my surroundings carefully, or listening deeply without judgment. This book teaches that the now is the only real moment I have. And if I fully live in it, I can feel calm, alive, and free from fear. And now, dear listener, what did you understand from this book? The Power of Now, a simple guide to happiness. Hi, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about a very special book. It is called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book is famous all over the world because it teaches us how to live a happy and peaceful life. Many people feel stressed, sad, or worried. Why? Because they think too much. They think about the past, things that already happened, or they worry about the future, things that have not happened yet. But this book teaches us an important truth. Happiness is in the present moment. Why do we suffer? The book explains that most people are trapped in their minds. They listen to a little voice inside their heads. This voice says things like, I made a mistake last week. I need to be rich to be happy. What if something bad happens tomorrow? This voice does not stop. It keeps talking, and it makes us feel unhappy. But here is the good news. You are not your thoughts. Your mind is like a TV, and you can choose to turn the volume down. The secret to happiness. The book says that if we want to be happy, we must focus on now, this very moment. The past is gone. The future is not here yet. The only real moment is now. But how can we live in the present? Here are some simple ways. 1. Be aware of your thoughts. When you feel sad or worried, stop and ask yourself, what am I thinking? Notice your thoughts, but do not believe them. They are just like clouds in the sky. They come and go. 2. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air going into your lungs. When you focus on your breath, you stop thinking about the past and future. 3. Pay attention to your senses. Listen to the sounds around you. Feel your feet on the ground. Taste your food slowly. When you focus on what you see, hear, or feel, you are living in the now. 4. Accept the present moment. Many people fight against reality. They say, I don't like this situation. I want something different. But when we accept things as they are, we feel peaceful. Acceptance does not mean we do nothing. It means we stop complaining and start acting. The problem with the ego. The book also talks about the ego. The ego is the part of our mind that always wants more. It says, I need more money. I must be better than others. I will be happy in the future. But the ego is never satisfied. Even if you get what you want, the ego will find a new problem. That is why people with a lot of money or success are not always happy. The book teaches us to let go of the ego. We don't need to compare ourselves to others. We don't need to prove anything. We are already enough, just as we are. The pain body Eckhart Tolle also talks about something called the pain body. This is the emotional pain we carry from the past. Maybe someone hurt us. Maybe we had a difficult childhood. This pain stays inside us, and it can make us feel angry, sad, or afraid. But the pain body is not who we are. When we feel negative emotions, we should observe them but not react. We should say to ourselves, "This is just my pain body. It is not me." If we stop feeding the pain body with negative thoughts, it will become weaker. How to practice the power of now. Let's quickly review how we can live in the present and be happy. Observe your thoughts. Don't believe everything your mind says. Focus on your breath. This helps you stay in the now. Use your senses. Listen, feel, and see the world around you. Accept the present moment. Don't fight reality. Work with it. Let go of the ego. You don't need more to be happy. Don't feed the pain body. Don't let past pain control you. Final words. Life is happening right now. If we stop worrying about the past and future, we can enjoy each moment. This book teaches us that peace is always inside us. We just need to see it. So, take a deep breath. Feel this moment. This is the power of now. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!